So I needed some valve stem caps to replace some that got liberated from my car. And so I found this one on Thingiverse. I printed it, and it's hard to see with the camera here, but it doesn't appear to have any threads in it. And when you screw it onto the valve stem, it kind of acts like it doesn't have threads and like they're kind of trying to form the threads into the cap as you use it. So I designed my own, which turned out pretty good. Put my threads in there, and I had to look up the threads, and the threads are a 7.7 millimeter by 32 pitch, which is it's an inch pitch metric. It's like 3.305. So it's not a common thread. So what I ended up using was a 5/16 32, which is a common thread. And the good and bad of 3D printing is when you deal with small parts, and depending on the filament, the shrinkage is different. So in this one, it shrunk quite a bit. I'm going to say it shrunk a good 0.5 millimeter. And so I increased it to I went 10% bigger, or 30 thou bigger, and it was too big. So I went, okay, we will go 5% bigger and see if that solves it. And that's what this one is. Now it's too small. So what we're doing is we're actually printing one at 1 point or 7%, 1.07 or 7% bigger, and we're hoping this will be the happy medium that'll fit on the valve stem. Ooh, it's done. Whoop. Let's see if I got it right this time. Looks like I did. Looks like that percentage worked. And the threads are there, and it's locking on. Exactly what I wanted. Excellent.